Hello everyone, today I will be sharing with you on how we created this sari out of the two dupattas that we had at home. My mom and me created this. So though the two dupattas were of different colors, they had the same printer pattern, that is the zari woven diagonal weave, and they were complementing each other. So we joined the edges of these two dupattas to create the 6-inch length, which is a sari. And then, after a lot of discussions and convincing, my mother is here attaching the sequence lace at the border of the overall length of the sari because initially she was not convinced to attach this. Then, after stitching the fall of the sari was ready. After creating the sari, we went for blouse hunting. This street in Bengaluru called Jumma Masjid Road has a lot of designer fabric stores, and I buy all my fabrics. Well, most of my fabrics from there. So finally, after looking at a lot of fabrics, we found the one that we wanted to go for. I wanted a waist length full sleeves blouse. So I cut a darted bodice block. Here's the full sleeves, one of the sleeves. That's the back pattern. That's the front darted block in 3 pieces, and that's another sleeve. There's thread, zipper, hook and everything that's required for sewing. Then assembling all the pieces together, one at a time, I created the entire piece. I'm not very good at sewing zippers. So here is me attempting to stitch a zipper using a zipper foot. At this stage, I have assembled most of the blouse part and only the zipper and the hook was remaining. And yes, this time I was successful in sewing the zipper perfectly. Yay, small wins! So here is the completed finished look of the blouse. I've also attached the lace on the neckline. So after wearing the blouse, the matching petticoat and the heels, I'm going to attempt on wearing the sari. After all that struggle, I was successful in wearing the sari. Here I am pinning the front pallu so that it stays in place. I'm wearing jhumkas, and on my hand, here I'm struggling to wear the Haathphool, and on my other hand I will be wearing oversized ring. Do let me know by commenting down below how you found the sari turned out to be. Personally, I loved it. Also do hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.